Okay, Kyla is now readying chickens.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
Why is this happening?
Jenna's settling her stomach so she can enjoy the chickens.
Do you have tongs?
Yes,
Yeah.
they're in my hand. We are heating the oil. There will not be a grease fire.
Oh, there's gonna be a grease fire.
I have this thing. It's a tool. It's called a thermometer. And we will heat the oil. First, Kyla is putting it in a buttermilk, water, and egg mixture. And now we're dredging in cornmeal, flour, salt, pepper. I think that's all the things we're dredging. She's gonna shake it out like the Florence and the Machine song. I'm gonna put it on this plate.
You're waiting for me to do that so you can narrate my movements?
Yeah. She's a little slow.
Oh my
Yep,
God.
there she goes, shaking it out. Shake it out, shake it out. Now she will do the next piece. So we're gonna go for now because I've got to check on some stuff. Bye. Now Jen is modeling to us what the chicken looks like. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. It's all dredged, ready to go. Next up, will the oil ever heat? Stay tuned.
So Nikki is now frying the chickens, taking them. So far there are no grease fires.
But there might be. I feel like I could have gotten either chicken or cheese in here.
Well, I think that 5 is probably plenty. Here we go, we're gonna try and cook these now.
Bye-bye.
So this is halfway through. These chickens are nicely golden, crisping, getting there, looking good, smelling good. This is the chickens coming out. Look at how golden they are. They're looking good. We don't have any grease fires still.
That one needs to stand up.
Apparently the wings take the longest to cook. I find this weird. Who knew? They're so small and have such little meat. How do you know?
Hello everyone. Look at the chicken. It is cooked.